Hey everyone, this is Luke from Innova, and we're introducing two brand new OE level diagnostic tools for professional technicians. Let me show you a little more about them. Right now I want to show you just how fast the SDS inspector boots up. This tool is utilizing an embedded OS built from the ground up by us at Innova to make sure that you can get to the information you need extremely quickly compared to other tablet tools. So just to prove it to you, I'm going to fully power down the tool right now, just so we're not coming from standby, to show you just how fast it boots up even when it's powered off completely. I'm going to plug in the detachable cable that's already plugged in the vehicle. So the tool is completely off. We're going to plug it in and see how fast it takes to turn on. And just like that, the tablet is already on and it's already scanning vehicle information, and we can access all the settings and diagnostic information we need. So one thing you guys kept asking for is more in-depth diagnostic reporting capabilities. And I have to say we delivered on that. Within the tool itself, there's actually a specific option. On the SDS Tech, we're going to go into the OEM Diagnostics spot, click on Vehicle Inspection, and from here we can actually choose different types of diagnostic reports. We can choose from diagnostic, customer, and even collision. And they're all custom made for that specific type of industry or that specific type of job that you're working on. From within there, we'll choose diagnostic report, and we have pre and post scan functionality. So that's a really positive one for these tools. So once you actually scan from the tool itself, what I'd like to introduce is the all new Repair Solutions Pro app. And what this app allows you to do is upload your reports from the tool to the cloud and be able to view them from whatever device you're working on. What I really want to showcase is the ability to show the pre and post scans directly next to each other in a comparison chart. So that way you can show your customer, shop advisor, friends or family, basically all the issues that were going on in the vehicle when you first got it, and then everything that was fixed once you worked on it. So this is the SDS Tech, one of our all new tablets from Innova. If you want to find out more, go ahead and check us out on Innova.com.